International Queen Philippines 2024, Sofia Arcangel! She truly is an icon. Grabe bagay na bagay sa kanyang kanta. And of course, truly an honor to be given the chance to listen to the song by the actual singer who sang that the OST for Miss International Queen.
Exactly, the 4x4 band! Amazing, grabe. Alam mo, first time ko marinig ng live.
It sounds just as beautiful as the recorded version. Grabe, 4x4 band, everybody!
Congratulations, grabe, awesome performance. And right now we are standing, actually, speechless ako.
Speechless, we are stunned. Ibang klase yung ganda mo, Sofia. And alam mo, si Sofia recently just celebrated her birthday. I want to know, just from a viewer standpoint, seeing you in all your glory and all your triumph and success, celebrating your birthday after that, was it a double win? Or parang naging melancholic ka ba in a way? Because after the success, you had to celebrate your birthday. Was it a good thing or was it something emotional for you?
It is something emotional for me because I felt like the crown of the Miss International Queen Philippines is something that is God given to me. It is a birthday gift. So I really appreciate that and I really value this victory. So, and I'd like to use this opportunity also to thank everyone who attended this Thanksgiving and victory party. I really appreciate you all, even though you came from 4 provinces and 4 places. I appreciate you all for coming po.
Alam mo, we love a grateful queen. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody watching us online as well, sound off on the comments kung ano yung mga mensahe na gusto niyo parating sa ating Queen Sofia Arcangel. Sofia, deserve mo itong celebration na ito. And you deserve that crown. You know, it's funny how the stars aligned for you on your first join. Hindi mo man nakuha yung corona. Ngayon, nakuha mo na yung corona, kaakibat pa nito, na-celebrate mo yung birthday mo with the best birthday present. So we know that this truly is for you. Deserve mo. And proud kami na ikaw ang gaganap na mahahawak ng Pilipinas sash for the incoming international pageant.
Thank you so much po. And with all pride, I'm going to do my best. And of course, with the help of the Men's International Queen Philippines Organization, Mami Michelle, Sir Tay, and Direct Roderick. I really appreciate you all po and thank you po for choosing me and trusting me as your Miss International Queen Philippines 2024.
I see. I want to share the mic with you, di ba? Actually, Sofia, I know that your name, upon my research, it's like an angel's name. It means wisdom. Grabe, yun pala, Inyoya pala yan ang, parang yung Greek word niya, Inyoya. Tama ba ako? Parang something like that. But I want to ask, kasi nabanggit mo kanina yung birthday mo. Ano yung wish mo on your birthday?
Actually, just good health because I already achieved my wish, and that is to be your Miss International Queen Philippines. And I'm just, my heart is just full of gratitude with that, and that is just something I wish for.
Wow! Alam mo, na-mention ni Sofia kanina no, that there are people behind the success. And we also know these people, but syempre, we also want to hear messages and words from this wonderful woman, the epitome of a queen. Ladies and gentlemen, ang rason kung bakit namamayagpag ang Miss International Queen Philippines. We're going to be hearing a few words from her right about now. The National Director of MIQ Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Michelle Montecarlo.
Welcome to Aquila Crystal Palace, and in behalf of the Executive Committee, kay Sir Tay and Direct Rod, at sa lahat po na bumubuo ng MIQ Philippines, at lahat ng regional directors po ng ating MIQ Philippines 2023 na si Lars Pacheco. Maraming salamat po sa sa pagtanggap niyo ulit sa third season ng MIQ Philippines. And of course, hindi po magiging possible ang success ng lahat ng ginagawa po natin without the help of all our sponsors, partners, at lahat po ng tumulong para po maisa yung tablado ng successful ang MIQ Philippines 2024. And of course, tonight po is the night for Sofia. Umasa po kayo na hindi namin po pababayaan ang ating Reyna. Kami po ni Sir Tay, ni Direk Rod, ng ating mga regional directors, ng ating regional franchisee. Hindi po natin pababayaan ang laban na ito. Ibabalik po natin ang corona. Kukunin po natin ang ika-4 na corona para sa Pilipinas. And of course, gusto ko rin pong i-acknowledge ang presence po ng ilan sa mga Queen Sisters ni Sofia. Andito po ang ating MIQ Philippines 2024 second runner-up, si Julian Concepcion, who maybe we can ask for a message for her ate later. And of course, our MIQ Philippines Visayas from Aklan, si Bella Fax. So this just means a lot for me, for Sir Tay, for the Direk Rod, and Sofia, kasi nga nakikita natin na despite their hectic schedules, ganyan, is they find time na makapunta dito. And of course, kay Sir Wayne, super busy po siya, meron siyang other pageant na hinahawakan, but he took time to be here to celebrate the victory and to give thanks kay Lord sa victory ni Sofia. Again po, maraming salamat, Sir Tay, and then Shaka sa Moriones, Galaxy, Mobile Bar, and sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa amin na brands, sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa amin na sponsors and partners, maraming salamat po. Tuloy-tuloy po natin supportahan si Sofia para masungkit ang ika-4 na MIQ Grand.
Yan, tuloy-tuloy lang ang suporta. Maraming salamat. 3 more years of MIQ in the Philippines.
Sorry, Sean. Sorry po. I'd like also, syempre, i-acknowledge ang presence ng isa sa ating mga kapatid, isa sa ating taga-suporta din. The one and only lang naman, Miss FG. Silent supporter po natin. Thank you, Miss FG. And mga friends namin from abroad, like from Australia, si Rayan, from Armenia, si Rayan. Maraming pa pong iba. Maraming salamat po. And of course, Sir Brian Ponce, ang Operations Manager ng Aquila Crystal Palace. Maraming salamat po dito sa Thanksgiving party na binigay niyo ni Sir Tay para po kay Sofia.
Thank you so much again, the Queen herself, Queen Michelle Montecarlo. Maraming salamat. Grabe, how does it feel na you heard those messages coming from a queen, from a true queen herself?
Well, I'm just really grateful for that because knowing that they are just behind me with this journey, I know that it's going to just be fine, and I'm just going to represent our country beautifully with the help of them.
Totoo yun. Ang sarap din sa pakiramdam, I'm sure, na kilala mo kung sino yung mag-handle sa journey mo. And you know, kampante ka because Michelle Montecarlo na yan eh. Pay attention na yan eh. Alam mo yun?
Kumbaga parang alam na alam nila yan. Expert sila when it comes to beauty pageant. Alam nila kung ano yung maganda o hindi, di ba?
Yeah, you truly are in good hands.
Yes, exactly. You are truly in good hands. And speaking of good hands, actually, maraming mga taong naging bahagi ng iyong tagumpay. Sabi nga natin, di ba, it always takes
a village to make a queen. Kaya naman, the people in this village are here to give you messages of thanks and of course, congratulations. Kaya pakilala na natin sila, Amber.
Yes, I know you're excited. At mga first time mong marinig na magsasalita to about your success. The one who pushed you to join the MIQ. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Mommy Rayan. Mommy Rayan.
galingan pa natin for the Thailand. Yun lang. I love you.
Photo opportunity. Short but very meaningful. Minsan hindi natin kailangan ng pinakamahabang mensahe. Alam mo yung tingin lang, yung salita lang, I love you, it means a lot. Thank you so much, Mommy Rhea.
Minsan may mga tao rin na pag natignan ka nila, it gives you that comfort, it gives you that feeling of parang you are at home and you are at peace. I'm sure you have that with Mommy Rhea.
Correct. You're so blessed. And more, syempre, di ba? Parang ang isang queen talaga, hindi makukumpleto kung walang nag-aalaga ng iyong buhok.
Tama, kaya naman ipakilala natin ang kanyang hairstylist. Here is Audrey. Audrey! Ayun si Audrey. Ayun, dapat yung message mo, ano rin, heartfelt.
Hey, ate. Hindi, ay sobrang. Pangarap natin to last year, di ba? Ito na, nakamit na natin. Gagalingan natin sa Thailand. I love you.
Wow, Tili Aida. Maraming salamat. Picture mo na photo opportunity. Ayan, thank you so much. Audrey, the hairstylist.
Alam mo, malaking bagay talaga yung ginagawa ng ating hairstylists, the team, to make our queens look as glamorous as they are.
Parang crowning glory.
Correct, ibang klase. Hindi madali, alam mo, totoo, hindi madali. Nakikita ko as they were getting ready.
Exactly.
Meticulous talaga yung
at iba-iba yung itsura kada labas eh.
Correct,
diba?
Ang bilis pati ng transformation.
Yung hair mo masunurin.
Hindi po. Pasaway po siya. Lagi po siyang kung saan pumupunta.
Kung
So magaling talaga si Audrey.
Correct, kasi napapasunod niya.
Correct.
Diba? And ito pa.
Ito na nga. I think we are also ready to hear a few messages from somebody very, very dear to Sophia's life. Siyempre, siya rin yung nagpapaganda, making sure that every time lumalabas si Sophia, talagang perfect
At
yung
nagkaroon ko ng side story. 17 years old pa lang daw, si Queen Sophia, nakakasama niya na ito.
Wow.
At kitang-kita niya, siya ay buhay pa totoo, a living testimony kung gaano kabait, kabuti ang puso ng Queen Sophia Arcangel. Ladies and gentlemen, the makeup artist of our Queen Sophia Arcangel, a round of applause to Mama Lala.
Hello, Nak. 17 years old ka pa lang. Hanggang ngayon, nilalaban natin to. Always remember that true humility is to be able to accept criticism. Tandaan mo yan lang.
Bongga.
Photo opportunity. Ang hirap dun na the true humility can accept
The true humility stems from being able to accept criticism. So, tanggapin mo lang kung ano man yung binabato sa'yo, tanggapin mo siya and use it as something constructive. And do not use it as your downfall. And do not let your emotions take over kung may naririnig ka bang mga binabato sa'yo na masasama. Hindi mo nagugustuhan, huwag mo hayaan yung emosyon mo ang mag-control sa iyong mga action.
Because remember, bashing is still sashing.
I like that.
Very queenly, di ba? Bashing is still sashing yan. Kaya congratulations. Kasi ibig sabihin, you are truly irrelevant. O, relevant ka. Pinag-uusapan ka, di ba?
Totoo yan. You know, nakakatuwa rin kasi it makes you shine even brighter. Nakikita nila kung ano yung attitude mo despite all of these criticisms. So let's see this time from the sister naman.
Yes,
the
sister queen.
Ng ating Queen Sophia. Ladies and gentlemen, her second runner-up, the very beautiful. Naku, nakakatawa ito. Habang nagpo-perform siya on stage, you can truly see the sisterhood nilang dalawa ni Sophia. Give it up for MIQ Philippines 2024 second runner-up, Julian Concepcion.
Julian Concepcion. No one can question Julian Concepcion.
Hello, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Actually, we didn't know each other personally, pero Ate Sophia is one of the candidates na nagpupush sa akin sa rehearsals and parang siya din yung nag-aasikaso sa akin kapag nagkakamali ako sa Blacklist. Kaya natutuwa po ako na nandito ako to support her, and my message for you, Ate, is na ano bang mangyari, nandito lang ako to support you and you deserve the crown.
Wow, congratulations. What a wonderful message, diba? Hearing a message from a queen, you truly deserve the crown. Thank you so much, Julian Concepcion, diba?
Siya na bang susunod?
Kasi naalala ko, nag-post kasi ikaw ng picture, na umatin ka ng Thanksgiving party din, di ba? Ni Queen Lars Pacheco last year.
Parang it's a sign, no?
It's a sign.
May pattern.
May pattern.
Naku, alam mo, nakakatawa. So, I've read somewhere that queens should clap until it's their time. Parang they clap for others until it is their time. It's such a queenly thing to do. And we see Julia doing that exactly.
And that's the true meaning of success. Ibig sabihin, matagumpay ka. Ibig sabihin, you can be able, of course, to be proud of other people's success. Diba? At tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo. And to give another special message, your queen sister also, mula naman sa Aklan, diba? Ladies and gentlemen, ang queen na palaban mula sa Aklan, Bella Fax.
Oh my God. Oh, wow. Actually, Ate Sophia, when the first time I saw her, I knew she was emitting that from Lord already. And when I felt low during the rehearsal, she's the one who keeps cheering me like, go lang, baby, go lang. Kasi it's my first time, she knew it was my first time in the pageantry. And she's always giving me that push. And for me, that's what a true queen is. And she's so nice. Yun lang. Bring home the crowd. Thank you.
Bella, photo opportunity.
Grabe, ang ganda ni Bella. Nakakatawa na. It's such a beautiful sight seeing queens supporting each other and not tipping each other's crowns off. It's a wonderful sight to behold. Kaya nakakatawa. We are also being given the opportunity to see how sisterhood really works despite competition, despite...
Sabi sa akin, tissue ma. Ayan, grabe yung luha ni Queen Sophia. Actually, pwede siyang maging artista, ha?
Kaliwa lang.
Kaliwa. Julian Santos.
Kaliwa lang muna ito.
Can you have tissue? Oo, ayan.
Grabe. You know, heartfelt messages nga naman talaga.
Hindi siya sabay tumulog eh.
Magkasunod.
Grabe. Ayan, Queen Sophia. I know, grabe yung, alam mo, yung mensahe lang nila, tinginan lang nila, iba, no?
Iba. Kasi pareho sila ng pinagdaanan. Same sila ng mga naging challenges, but despite all that, you can see, nandun yung suporta, nandun yung pagmamahal, nandun yung sisterhood and camaraderie. So, for sure, nakaka-emotional naman talaga, knowing that you guys went through the exact same challenges.
Exactly. At ito, ang susunod na magbibigay ng mensahe sa iyo ay isa sa ating mga regional franchise owner din ng Miss International Queen Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, the person na hindi na kailangan ng mahaba pang introduksyon dahil sa kanyang mga ginagawa. Talaga namang living proof on how good he is. Ladies and gentlemen, Boss Wayne Renzo.
Sabi, di ba, umattend daw ng victory party na dalawang victory party na yung naatinan ko. So, ako pa din ba next week? And then, congratulations. Deserve mo yan. So, ayun, ilalaban natin. Ngayon, makapag-focus kami ng team dahil isa na lang yung susuportahan ko namin. So, mararamdaman mo yung support namin. Thank you, congrats.
Wow, naiyak. Photo opportunity. Napaka-bless. Picture ko, photo opportunity in the middle. Grabe, napaka-bless ni Boss Wayne din. Imagine mo, last year umatin, ngayon din, di ba?
Dito rin. May bit-bit na swerte.
May bit-bit na swerte talaga, di ba? Tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo. Siyempre ngayon naman, as we continue with our Thanksgiving, for sure, ang dami-dami mo talagang dapat na taong pagsalamatan. Correct. Another queen sister. Ito, napaka-another special ng queen sister ito.
Isa sa mga pinakamalaking supporter ng MIQ Philippines.
Pillar ng kagandahan.
Pillar of beauty.
Puon ng kagandahan.
Siya ang tunay na gorgeous. Gorgeous. Basehan ng gorgeousness.
Exactly.
Ladies and gentlemen, nag-iisa ang nagpapakilig sa ating kanila.
Nagpapakilig sa ating lahat. Hindi lang sa ating mga manunood.
Correct. Ayan ang mga kaibigan. She needs no further introduction. The beautiful, the gorgeous Francine Garcia.
Gosh, hindi ako ready. Short story lang. Before the competition, she was not my top 2.
Yes.
And nag-PM siya sa akin. Totoo naman, di ba, Wayne? Nag-PM siya sa akin the night before. Babaguhin ko ang top 2 mo. And so she did. Let me just share with you that being a beauty queen takes 3 stages. 1 being a damsel, 1 being a princess, and the final is being a queen. And now, hold on to that crown because you'll miss it very soon since you will be wearing another crown, and that is Miss International Queen. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Amen to that. Amen to that, of course. A photo opportunity in the middle with the queen herself, Queen Francine Garcia. Let's claim it.
Add na sana, peace for everyone. Ayun lang naman. For everyone. For Sofia.
One more.
Totoo. Okay na siguro isang araw lang natin tayo magbabardagulan online. Pero tama na, di ba? O, move on na tayo. Ama na.
Actually, yung bardagulan na yan, kayo lang din yung napapagod.
Totoo.
Sinistress niyo yung sarili niyo. You know, we have one queen to support.
At saka isa lang yung bansa natin, Pilipinas. Let's support, of course, the queen. Diba? Queen Sofia. Gaya nga na sinabi ni Catriona Gray, kasi nagsabi ng tatlo, diba? You need to conquer 3 mountains. First, you need to conquer yourself. Second, you need to conquer what others perceive about you. And third, you need to conquer with a purpose. And you're not just only a beautiful face, but you're a living testimony of hard work talaga.
Parang MIQ 2025 siya. Title.
So, lumaban din, tumitle. Kasi siyempre, itong susunod na magsasalita sa atin. Title talaga to. Ito talaga yung, kumbaga, isa sa mga creative.
Punong abala. Kumbaga, Diyos ko, makikita mo siya tumatakbo-takbo sa backstage, babalik siya dun sa booth. My goodness, talagang nasa stress man siya. He delivers a great, amazing show. Ladies and gentlemen, ang ating executive creative director, ladies and gents, Roderick, Direct Rod.
Sofia, congratulations to you. Okay, thank you for listening always sa amin, sa Exicom. Okay, so I wish lang sa Thailand, ilalaban natin lahat. Okay, hanggang sa dulo. Congratulations and God bless you all. Thank you.
Photo opportunity, of course, together with our creative director of the Miss International Queen Philippines. Grabe. Isa sa mga...
Yun yung formula, makinig ka lang talaga, makinig ka lang sa mga sinasabi.
Si Direk Roderick, iba rin siya. Kumbaga, when it comes to pageantry, parang he didn't follow the standard of the pageant. Meron siyang sariling pattern din. May sarili siyang identity when it comes to pageant.
Kaya nga nagulat yung mga tao. Na may twist.
Yung tinatanong na bakit may third and fourth.
May twist.
Correct. Pero ako kasi syempre nagkaroon na ng swimsuit pero ako talaga yung deserve. Nakita, kasi nasa road trip kami Nung yung pinimemorize mo yung pasarela ninyo sa long gown, ikaw yung nag-lead talaga sa team. And it really means that you are a leader talaga.
Diba? And we were seeing, kasi magkatabi tayo during the swimsuit. Kami mismo yung nagbabanggit ng mga names. Magkatabi kami ni Amber niyan. Angat na angat, si Sofia. Kitang-kita mo talaga
Totoo. And ito sa mga, isa to sa mga video na hindi natin napanood, unseen video. And may we request everybody together with our press to please have your attention on our LED wall and let's watch this video. The short answer to the question, what is evolution?
Evolution for me is having transformation from who you are from before. And as a comeback queen of Miss International Queen Philippines, I'm very proud to say that I had my greatest evolution in the past year and I was able to discover my strengths as a person. So this is going to be a sophisticated comeback.
Wow! Yun yung interview mo doon sa question of what is evolution. Do you remember your answer for sure? Yun doon sa what is evolution. And right now you are evolving to be a bigger version of yourself.
The final version, the best version of Sofia.
Parang feeling ko magiging super best version pa siya.
Magiging very Pokemon evolution. May ultimate pa.
Ako hindi nga Pokemon naisip naisip ko yung gumagano, no? Si Goku.
Super Saiyan.
Super Saiyan. Super. Okay, yes, si
Dragon
Sailor
Ball pala.
Moon. Si Sailor Moon. Si
Correct,
Sailor
may ibang
Moon.
transformation.
Correct. Right now, you are preparing now for the Miss International Queen Pageant in Thailand. Ano yung bagay na hindi nawawala sa preparation mo?
I think yun po ay yung driving passion ko towards this. And walang mapapagod, patuloy na lalaban, and I'll make all Filipino citizens proud po.
Beyond for another international crown, we can already see it.
I love it. Parang I will make the Filipino citizens very proud. And on that note, we really deserve a cheers on that. Kaya naman may I request everybody to please stand up and hold your goblet with you for a cheers. And may we request our executive, our boss, please.
Ang ating national
Boss Tay and
director.
Desha, please. May we request our executive, boss, producer.
Our executive producer, Tay and Desha, Direk Rod de la Cruz, our national director, Ms. Michelle Montecarlo on stage, please, for a toast for the success and, of course, for good luck na rin sa ating international competition. Everybody, please stand up. Glasses on your hands. Please raise your glasses for a toast.
And also for the, may we call it also Direk?
Direk Rod, ayun.
And also may we request a goblet for our Queen Sofia. May we request our the people of Aquila for the wine of our beautiful Queen, please. Thank you so much. Everybody, please kindly hold your goblet with you.
All right, everybody, glasses up.
So, yep.
Here we toast to the success of Sofia Arcangel. May she forever conquer her dreams and manifest reality for another crown for the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, cheers!
Cheers, Queen. Boss Dave. Congratulations to all of us. Congratulations to the Philippines!
Congratulations to the Philippines. Malaking bagay ang manifestation. Sa totoo lang, dapat pakiramdaman mo rin yung corona na nasa ulo mo, Sofia. Feel it already na nandiyan na. You have to feel, you have to see, you have to also smell, imagine everything as if it were already yours. Huge deal ang manifestation.
At ang ganda ng celebration natin. Ang ganda talaga ng Aquila Crystal. Kasi imagine nyo, we are also in the nature. Naririnig tayo, di ba? Naririnig tayo. We have the moon, we have the star, we have the tree, we have all the colors actually of the earth, di
All
ba?
the elements are here, pati tubig.
Lahat.
yan.
Oo, lahat. Correct. Kaya naman, we're gonna pass on the mic now sa may pinakamasayang puso. Ang ating queen, ang ating newly crowned queen of the Miss International Queen Philippines 2024. A big round of applause to Queen Sofia Arcangel.
Hello po ulit sa inyo, and thank you for coming po ulit. And I'd just like to thank you all for your support po sa journey ko po, kay Sir Dave po sa Aquila Crystal Palace, to Mami Michelle, Direk Rod, Mami Wayne, Mami Ray Ann, lahat po kayo. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal niyo po at sa tiwala po na binigay niyo. This really means so much to me, and you will be my support system po sa paglaban po sa international, and I'm just going to work hard for this so I could be able to make you all proud. So hopefully po, I'm manifesting for the 4th crown for the Philippines. Thank you po.
Ayan, another crown for the Philippines indeed. Again, congratulations, Sofia Arcangel. Ngayon naman mga kaibigan, we are going to take a quick look back at what happened during Miss International Queen Philippines 2024. We have a video, a very special video.